Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Kyle and welcome to DIY Buildouts. Today I'm going to show you how you can rebuild raised garden beds. I have two of them back here that are in desperate need of replacement, and I'm going to show you how you can do it with just a screwdriver. So if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned. So now that I have all of the lumber back to my house, I'm gonna go ahead and just use basic butt joints. It's when you put one board here and another board here and drive a screw in to build the two rectangular frames. It's really simple. So I had Home Depot cut all of the boards and I used one 2 by 10 by 12 board to get 4 3-foot boards out of. And then I got two 2 by 10 by 8-foot boards, and I had each of those cut in half. So then I ended up with 4 4-foot long boards because each one is going to be 4 feet by 3 feet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and build these and then we'll put them in the yard. Here we go. Okay guys, that's it. It was that simple. For around 24 bucks, I was able to get 2 raised garden beds replaced, and that was just me. If you don't already have them, just put them in. I just had to replace rotten wooden ones, but you can do this fresh from the beginning and get 2 new ones for under 25 bucks. So don't go paying 150 bucks from the ones that you see at the store. Just build them yourself. They'll cut the lumber. All you have to do is drive a couple screws. All right guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.